Malaysia's newest water park is here. Whether you are a thrill seeker, chasing 100 kilometers per hour slides, a family with kids, a tourist, or just escaping KL's heat, Splash Mania delivers. But is it worth the hype? We tested every ride, found hidden tips, and the one thing nobody tells you.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Simply Shetty. So today we are going to dive into one of Malaysia's biggest and most exciting water theme park, Splash Mania at Gamuda Cove. From thrilling rides to relaxing pool, this place has it all. So we'll be joined by our friends who are like family to us. Guess what? We'll be taking you along with us on the rides. So let's dive in.
Yay, we're almost there.
Located in Dengkil, just a 30-minute short drive from Kuala Lumpur, Splash Mania is Malaysia's ultimate water park getaway. With over 39 epic water slides and attractions, it's a tropical paradise that blends family-friendly fun with serious adrenaline-pumping thrills. So grab your swimsuits, slap on that sunscreen, and let's dive right in.
If can, arrive before 10 am for easy parking and shorter lines at the bigger slides. These are their 4 mascots. Let's see whom we get to see inside.
Ticket prices at Splash Mania: adults pay 125 ringgit and kids pay 110. But here's the hack: we scored ours for just 65 ringgit each by booking early at Mata Fair. Pro tip: check Klook Traveloka for discounts, especially if you are visiting Malaysia as a tourist.
Right after the entrance, you are routed through their retail shop. Smart move, isn't it? Forgot your swimsuit, towel or sunscreen? Don't worry, they have got it all there. Just be ready to pay their theme craft prices.
Lockers come in 3 sizes: small for 15, medium for 35 and large for 40 rm. Plenty of lockers available here, so no worries at all. You can get your stuffs and leave it in the locker.
And the adventure begins! Woo!
Splash Mania is set in a lush rainforest adventure theme called the Lost Kingdom of Gamuda Cove. Bring a waterproof pouch if you plan to take photos and videos while on slides or near splash zones. If you have aqua shoes, definitely wear them. It will save you the hassle of taking them off before every slide.
Treasure Tower is a multi-slide adventure perfect for families, kids and group fun.
Big bucket splash alert. 1000 liters of water drops every minute. Run or get soaked.
First up, the winding body slides at Treasure Tower. These colorful twists and turns are super fun and fast. Perfect for families and kids who want a bit of thrill without the fear.
Next is this enclosed tube slides. You will launch from the top of the treasure tower into dark tunnels with unexpected turns and speed drops. It's a fast, fun and just the right amount of adrenaline for kids and grown-ups alike. That's me faking a smile before coming down from the slide. Monster and Twista are 2 of Splash Mania's wildest rides. One sends you spinning through a giant funnel and the other drops you into a twisting ball before a splash finale.
Twista is a swirling bowl ride that's surprisingly kid-friendly. The minimum height is just 107 cm, so even little adventurers like Vivan could ride it. He had a blast spinning down, but after that, he said, "No more rides for me today." And now it's time for Monster, a swirling side-to-side funnel ride. Let's go! It only took 20 minutes to convince Braveheart Asawari, and now she's praying all the way down like she's on a roller coaster to heaven. And thank God, her prayers were answered.
Wow, the kids found one of the mascots, Swaggy Bee. You can use this map to easily find your favorite rides.
So time for Sumai Mera drop, and after this will be the vertical plunge drop.
This is the Sumau Mera drop, one of the tallest and scariest rides at Splashmania. You step into a glass capsule, the door shuts, and suddenly your heart's racing. The countdown begins, sound effects rumble through the cabin, and then bang! The float disappears and you free fall straight down. It's a fast, intense, and definitely for brave hearts. And so I'm giving it a miss.
It's terrifying just to look at. And Pushpak, he needed a motivational speech, a prayer, and a push, but he finally did it. This is the Plunge, Malaysia's tallest free fall water ride at 6 stories straight down. It's a 75-degree near vertical drop, hitting 60 kilometers per hour in 2.5 seconds. Will you take up this challenge?
This is the Whoopa Loopa, a looping tube ride. Bring your partner or BFF and twist through translucent loops together. Pro tip, heavier partner sits behind, unless you want to face plant.
Bazala. Simple. And now we are on board Shaka Waka. It is a wild twisting LED tunnel ride for couples. And it took a full-on ice cream bribe to get Asavri on this one with me. Now tell us, how are you going to convince your partner to ride something this crazy? Same. Get used to climbing a lot of stairs, a crazy amount of stairs for each ride. Surely you'll have a leg day. No worries. Green Spill and Thrills is easy but enjoyable. A family-friendly single-speed slide.
Next up, we all hit the Blue Spill and Thrills. It's faster, twistier, and way more fun than the green one. More speed, more splash, and definitely more screaming.
And you can find Indian cuisine everywhere. We are lucky, here we have a lot of Indian food options. So gonna enjoy it now. So it's food time. The food quality here is pretty decent. Huh?
Now it was time for Typhoon Terror. A ride that looks fairly simple, but don't let it fool you. After a heavy lunch, climbing those stairs and twisting through the slide definitely made us wonder if we should have waited a bit longer. Pro tip, maybe save this one before you hit the food court.
That was a nice ride to enjoy with your family.
Time for Ravage River. Just sit back, float, and enjoy the chill vibes. Floats cost 15 ringgit each. Can use it for Ravage River and wave pool.
Just chilling by a lazy river. You have to do this with kids and family. Just relax. No! Vivan is pulling me! Pro tip, don't save Ravage River for the end. It gets really crowded.
Kids will absolutely love Splash Plush. With mini slides, splash buckets, and shallow pools, it's a safe, colorful zone where they can play for hours.
It's time for Amazonia and Omba King Cove. Let the wave fun begin. kids. Once they are in, they are never coming out. Bribes, threats, forget it. Just pray they get hungry by sunset.
And now it's time to leave. The park timings are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. only.
So Pushpak, how did you find the Splash Mania Gamuda Cove?
Amazing. I mean, it's worth to visit Splash Mania. I mean, from adult to kids, everyone can have fun. Amazing rides and full of safety. I mean, it's a must-visit place. Cheers.
Cool.
So that brings us to the end of our Splash Mania adventure. Hope you enjoyed the ride with us.
Was it worth it? We'll let you decide. But from our end, it was definitely worth it. It was value for money. The rides were amazing. It was well managed. The people, staff were all polite and happy to help us whenever.
Cleanliness was 10 on 10.
Yeah, cleanliness was impeccable. The food available at this place is amazing. The quality of food is very good, and overall a great experience. It's very family friendly. So definitely I would say a must visit. So definitely worth a try if you come over the weekend or if you have any holidays to enjoy with your friends and family. Yeah. So if you enjoyed the vlog, please like, share and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this vlog, probably you'll also enjoy the Malaysia's first Skyline Luge vlog. Link above. See you until next time. Bye bye.